news now from Maharashtra, where over 50,000 farmers have embarked on a 180-kilometer march from Nashik to Mumbai for the second time in the last 12 months to protest against what they term as the betrayal of farmers by the BJP governments at the state and the centre. Well, let's go across to Purva for more on this. And Purva, so they're saying that the last time they marched, that there were certain promises that were made to them. Those promises have not been kept, and so they're now marching to Mumbai once again.
That's right, absolutely. In fact, they were supposed to march from yesterday itself, but they were held on in Nashik itself, where police did not give them the permission to go ahead with their march. In fact, of around 50,000 odd farmers from across various districts in Maharashtra. Now, there are total 36 districts in Maharashtra, out of which 23 districts, farmers from across 23 districts are supporting this march. And the All India Kisan Sabha, which has organized this march, in fact, even last time as well, an affiliate of CPIM who has organized this march, they are saying that 23 districts, farmers from across 23 districts have joined them in this march. Now, their main demands have been the transfer of rights of their forest land. Now, remember, these are farmers and Adivasi tribals as well. So, the forest lands that they own, so they need the rights of their land to be transferred in their name. And along with it, there are other demands of a loan waiver, then crop insurance scheme. And also this time around, since Maharashtra is under drought situation, like nearly half of Maharashtra is under drought. So they want immediate relief from this drought situation as well. So what AIKS is saying, the affiliation is saying, the organizers are saying that the last time around when these farmers marched from Nashik to Mumbai on foot, 180 kilometers, which took them about 7 odd days, the government had promised that they would look into all of their demands, and theoretically the government even agreed to fulfill all of their demands, but the demands were not fulfilled even after 12 months, and that is why they are compelled to start with the march again. And this time around, what the AIKS is saying, that they need written assurances from the government. In fact, yesterday, State Minister, a mediator, Water Resource Minister Girish Mahajan held talks with the organizers and saying that they are ready to accept the demands, and were requesting them to not go ahead with the march. But however, the demands, what AIKS is saying, that they need written assurances, and until the written assurances is until they get the written assurances from the government, they will still continue with their march. And today at around 10 a.m. the farmers started with their march, and in the march a lot of women have also participated. And just like last time around, we will see these farmers marching 180 kilometers on foot. In fact, this is another, considering it's an election year, this will be a pressure tactic on the government as well to fulfill their demands. And that is why we saw yesterday on the first day itself, a government mediator went and tried to mediate between, but still the organizers did not get any written assurances. However, Girish Mahajan, the minister, said that he would be speaking to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and once after speaking to Devendra Fadnavis, he might be able to give more assurances. But the AIKS is saying that until they are getting some kind of written assurances, they are going to not stop with their march, and they will continue with their march. And as I mentioned earlier, at around 10 o'clock this morning, the farmers started off their march from Nashik. Back to you.
All right, Purva, thanks so much for joining us there. So efforts being made to talk to the farmers and the leaders there. Well, NDTV's Sunil was there at the march. Let's just take a look at this report he sent us.
नासिक से मुंबई के लिए किसान लॉन्ग मार्च शुरू हो चुका है। किसान जो कल यहां से मुंबई के लिए निकलने वाले थे अपनी मांगों को लेकर, वो रात भर वो यहीं पर रुके नासिक में मुंबई नाका के पास, और अब यहां से किसान निकल चुके हैं। मुंबई की तरफ ये मोर्चा बढ़ रहा है। रात में बातचीत की गई, मंत्री आए थे गिरीश महाजन सरकार की तरफ से, वो बात करना मीटिंग हुई लगभग 2 घंटे तक, लेकिन कोई भी उसमें से समाधान नहीं निकल पाया। हालांकि अगर हम नेताओं की बात माने तो उनका कहना है कि जो बातचीत है वो समाधान कारक रही है, लेकिन उनको सभी बातें लिख कर चाहिए, लिखित आश्वासन मिलेगा तभी वो अपना मोर्चा समाप्त करेंगे। क्योंकि लिखित आश्वासन अब तक मिला नहीं है, इसीलिए मोर्चा हम देख रहे हैं कि शुरू हो चुका है और ये देखिए विशाल मोर्चा लगभग 10 से 15 हजार के करीब बताया जा रहा है कि सभी किसान हैं और एकदम अनुशासनबद्ध होकर लगातार आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हम बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि किसान नेता से, बैनर है अखिल भारतीय किसान सभा की तरफ से ये मोर्चा है।
आज पहली बात तो ये है, पुलिस ने परमिशन न देते हुए भी हमने जैसे तय किया था, आज 50,000 किसानों का लॉन्ग मार्च ये आज नासिक से निकला है। और हम पहले हमारी किसान सभा ये है, पुलिस परमिशन ये सब चीज हम नहीं मानते, हमने तय किया, हमने निकाला। अभी कल जो चर्चा हुई मंत्री महोदय के साथ, हमने उनको कहा कि जो कुछ चर्चा हुई 17 तारीख को मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ, आपके साथ, कुल मिलाकर उसके लिखित जो आश्वासन है वो आप दीजिए और तब तक ये लॉन्ग मार्च चालू रहेगा।
सरकार लिखित आश्वासन देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है?
नहीं, हमने बोला है, तो वो बोले हैं कि आज के दिन हम ये लिखित आश्वासन आपको देंगे। हमने कहा जब तक आप लिखित नहीं दोगे तब तक ये रैली चलती रहेगी।
किसान बड़ी संख्या में हम देख रहे हैं कि आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। लॉन्ग मार्च आखिरकार शुरू हो गया है और ये लॉन्ग मार्च इसी तरह से चलता रहेगा। किसान आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे जब तक कि लिखित तौर पर सरकार की तरफ से आश्वासन नहीं मिल जाता है, तब तक कि मुंबई की तरफ ये किसान बढ़ते रहेंगे अपनी मांगों को बुलंद करते हुए। और इसमें हर तरह के लोग इसमें शामिल हैं, महिलाएं भी बड़ी संख्या में हैं और राज्य के अलग अलग हिस्सों से आए हुए किसान हैं जो कि अपनी आवाज बुलंद करने के लिए एक बार फिर से एकत्रित हुए हैं और मुंबई की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। नासिक से कैमरा सुनील सिंह, NDTV इंडिया के लिए।